Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T Pro, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now clearly you can see that the phone I have right here is locked using the pattern and using also Google account, and I'll right off mention that this does not remove the Xiaomi account. So if your device is locked with the Xiaomi account, I don't have any help for you here. So this will only remove Google account. So anyway, to get started with this, you want to back out to the Wi-Fi page right here, and you want to connect to your network of any sorts, and then additionally you will scroll down, select add network, and in SSID you will type in youtube.com like so. Then you want to hold this text, and once it gets selected you can let go, and this will bring up this menu right here. So you want to select the second option, this chain link icon thing. From here in YouTube you want to click on the account icon and navigate to help and feedback, and then in describe your issue you will type in delete or disable apps on Android. As you can see, it comes as a suggested one. So once you have selected this, you want to then tap on the first option or first step right here, tap to go to application settings, or is it application settings? Yep. And in here we're gonna select Android setup, gonna select disable, then for stop go back, and we're gonna look for another setup because there's two of them. Select also show system to see both of them. Okay, so this is the one that I disabled already. So as you can see, there's two of them. So once you have turned off both of them and also selected the first stop, if you can, and to go back to those entire list, and then scroll down to Google Play Services right over here. And just as before, we're gonna now select disable app, and for stop, okay, go back. And now we're gonna scroll down even lower to settings. There we go, settings. As you can see, there's a couple of settings right here, so you want to look for specifically for this one with this kind of icon. Click on it and then select open, and in here gonna navigate down to additional settings. Then we're gonna select accessibility menu and turn it on. Okay. And once you have turned on the accessibility menu, what you can do now is back out to the Wi-Fi connection page right here, and then select the arrow to go further. Select don't copy, and this will get you stuck on this page right over here. So from here we'll need to select this icon right here, the accessibility menu that we have added, and we want to select Google Assistant, and this might take you several tries. At points it has taken me about 20 tries, maybe 30 at worst parts, and at best ones it was by the first try. So what you're looking for is you want to tap on those till you see the settings icon, then you want to tap on it, and it will open up another menu, which it didn't do right now. And from here, basically it will open up the Google Play Services window where you need to select enable somewhere in here. And you will basically keep on trying this till you can actually tap on that enable button. As you can see, not every time it works. Sometimes you will get it and it just doesn't do literally anything. There we go. As you can see, it's now enabled. So that's what you want to try to do. Like I said, it might take you a couple of tries, it might take you one try, it might take you 20. So don't get discouraged by this. It just might take more patience, basically. Anyway, once you have enabled this, you want to go back and you'll see this page right over here. So simply select More, Accept, and we should be able to get past the setup. So from here we can finish up our setup fairly quickly, just skipping through most of the things that we can. And once you have access to your home screen, you want to now navigate to your settings. From here you're going to select About Phone, choose Factory Reset, Erase All Data, Factory Reset, wait the 10 seconds right here before we can tap on OK, or before we can tap on Next. And then another 10 seconds here. Now, I won't be going through this. Once you tap on OK, it will start the factory reset, go through it, and then bring you back to the setup of your phone, at which point the device will be fully unlocked. The reason why I'm not going to go through it is because, as you just heard, there is nothing extra you need to do. Once you click on the OK button, this finishes up your bypass. The device, after tapping on OK, is fully unlocked. So all you need to do is wait for the factory reset to finish and go through your setup of the phone however you wish to. So that's basically it. So that is how you bypass the Google verification on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.